Do I need a special adapter or connection to use my projector with Amazon Prime?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll be addressing a common question that many of you might have. Do I need a special adapter or connection to use my projector with Amazon Prime? Let's dive in and unravel the steps to get your projector up and running with Amazon Prime.
What do you need?
The answer to whether you need a special adapter or connection to use your projector with Amazon Prime largely depends on the type of projector you have and its existing capabilities. If your projector has a built-in web browser or streaming apps, you might not need an adapter at all. However, most projectors do not have this feature. Therefore, you'll need an additional device to stream Amazon Prime, such as an Amazon Fire Stick, a Google Chromecast, a Roku stick, or a similar streaming device. This device will plug into your projector's HDMI port and provide the ability to stream content from Amazon Prime.
How do you connect your projector to Amazon Prime?
To connect your projector to Amazon Prime using a streaming device, follow these steps. 1. Connect your streaming device to your projector's HDMI port. 2. Power on your projector and select the HDMI input that you've connected your streaming device to. 3. On your streaming device, navigate to the Amazon Prime app. If it isn't already installed, download it from the App Store available on your device. 4. Log in to your Amazon Prime account or sign up if you don't have an account. 5. Now you're ready to stream Amazon Prime through your projector. Remember, you'll also need a decent internet connection to stream content without interruptions.
What if your projector doesn't have an HDMI port?
If your projector doesn't have an HDMI port, don't worry. You'll need an HDMI to VGA adapter or an HDMI to DVI adapter, depending on the type of port your projector has. This adapter will connect to your streaming device on one end, HDMI, and your projector on the other end, VGA or DVI. After setting this up, you can follow the same steps as above to stream Amazon Prime. In conclusion, while you may need an adapter or a streaming device depending on the specifics of your projector, setting up Amazon Prime to work with your projector is a pretty straightforward process. I hope this guide has made the setup process clearer and simpler. Happy streaming!